Hello folks, you may have seen in recent times that car finance scandal has been all over the news again, and that's because there's a big court case coming up in April at the Supreme Court, and the government tried to intervene, basically based on the fact that it has potential to cause considerable economic harm and make car finance less available in future. However, you can still go ahead and claim compensation if you bought a car on PCP or hire purchase, anything like that. Not a lease though, it must be like car finance as such, so something where you're using finance to purchase a vehicle. If you've got a finance agreement that's pre 28th of January 2021, you can make a claim for compensation. Whether that actually gets heard in court or not yet, we'll have to wait and see. But at the moment, you can do it. And in about 40% of car finance deals, there were hidden commissions. And that means you could have signed up for a finance deal at say 9% interest, 9% APR or something. But the actual interest rate was 4% and the car dealership was charging the rest. And that was unclear. That wasn't explained at the time you took out the agreement. And that could mean you're liable for thousands in compensation. Now, I'm making this video really not because this is news to anyone, because a lot of people are aware of this and a lot of people have already made claims. But I've been approached recently by at least 3 different firms offering me considerable amounts of money to do a video about this and recommend you use them. In all cases, they take more than 25% of the compensation amount if it happens, and one of them was considerably more than that. And you can do this completely for free. On the Money Saving Expert website, I'll put a link to this in the video description. There is a free tool to help you do your car finance reclaim. And it asks you a few questions, go through the form, and then it will print off drafts for your complaint letters. It will fill in the blanks, etc., and give you all the correct wording that you need to use for your complaint letters, and then you get them submitted. Obviously, if you want someone to do everything for you, then you can go with one of these third-party companies on a no-win, no-fee basis. Obviously, if they do win and you are entitled to compensation and you get it, they're going to take their cut of it before it comes to you. So just really want to make you aware of that, because there are lots of these no-win, no-fee companies out there, and a lot of people don't realise just how much of the final amount they would actually lose if they are successful. So keep that in mind. These people don't work for free. And there will be cases that they submit and they don't win, so they have to make money when they do win. If you want to just do it yourself, that free little tool should help you. And it could be you were absolutely happy with the amount of interest you paid at the time. Probably you wouldn't have signed up to the agreement if you didn't. And you may think, well, I'm not going to claim because I was happy with what I paid. But would you have been happy if you'd known it should have been, say, half as much? And the dealer was actually having their cake, eating it, and then eating it again, and not being upfront with you about it. Personally, if I'd done this, which I didn't, if I had, I would be submitting a claim and having it, because I think there's way too much mis-selling goes on with car finance, and I think the whole industry needs to get hit in the pocket hard to learn some lessons from it, quite frankly. Lloyds has evidently put aside 1.2 billion for potential payouts. If you remember the PPI scandal, Lloyds were, I think, the biggest hit in that. Close Brothers, who do lots of car finance, they've set aside 165 million. Other companies are being mentioned in the hundreds of millions and indeed billions. This has the potential to be huge, and if you've been a victim to someone being a bit too greedy, you do have the option of making a claim for free. Obviously, there are all these companies out there that will help you, but they will take a bit of the money from you. Just wanted to get that point across. That's it, just a quick one. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Hope it helps one or two of you out. The link to that completely free tool on Money Saving Expert is in the video description. Catch you on the next one. Huge thanks to all my channel members for your continued support. I really do appreciate it.